Hi, welcome back to another episode. This is a really short episode that's covering the car behind me. In short, it's a preview for an upcoming video that will detail more about the car, so I'll say very little in this one. It's just a preview, as I say, but in short, it's a 1967 Mark II Cortina 1500 pre-crossflow auto deluxe that my father bought in 1980. This video is purely of it driving off the ramp today for the first time in over 30 years. It wasn't staged. I just happened to have my phone in my hand as Mark was driving it off the ramp. It is the first time it has driven in over 30 years, so I thought I'd capture it. He went outside, turned around and drove out just to check the gear change on it to make sure it was all working okay. And it was just brilliant. In 1985, it had some bodywork and a repaint where I painted it blue. I was 18 at the time, I think. And then for the next 4 years, you used it as a kind of second car. In '89, it went into storage, and it didn't come out until 2006, briefly, while he was trying to do some of the repairs himself. And it wasn't until we moved premises in 2014 that we got it in, treated it as a hospital job, and have given you the product that we've got now. And it's just gorgeous. Complete nut and bolt restoration. My dad's a mechanic. He did all the strip reassembly, all the mechanical overhaul. All we did was body and paint, but it's just gorgeous. So I'll leave that for an upcoming episode. Thank you, guys.